get Sweatcoin referral link. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you have to launch your Sweatcoin application and make sure that you're using the latest version of Sweatcoin. Okay, log in with your Google if you have your account already. If not, you need to sign up. So this is what it looks like. And what you're going to do is to simply tap these two persons here. That is your social. And here we have options, clubs, activities, and friends. So what you're going to do is to tap friends. Under friends, you have to scroll down and there you can see share link. So what you're going to do is to simply copy your URL and then paste it somewhere or anywhere you wish. You can also click this share button here or more and then share your link or referral link to Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, WhatsApp, Google Drive, Pinterest, Telegram, and Discord, and Snapchat, Viber, and so on. So you can just simply share your referral link to any of the social media platforms. So that's how easy it is. You just have to copy your URL, or you can just simply tap the share icon to share your referral link in Sweatcoin. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.